The column was built in 1926 when the railroad came here. It's about 125 feet tall, which is about 40 meters. It has, I don't know, 160, 190 steps inside that I'm not gonna climb. The bastards, they still didn't put the elevator there. I was here about 3 years ago when this was being wrapped with scaffolds, and artists were hand painting those pictures. They fade away, the paint fades away with the weather, all this rain and salt from the sea, the ocean. So they repainted all that. A friend of mine, the conservator, was the manager on the project, so I was lucky. I can see that going up on the scaffolds all the way up and checking the work and the paintings. We are entering now secret area. Only highly trained people can be here.